understanding uses of how much and how many in English.
It's such a beautiful day, isn't it, Samir?
Yes, absolutely. I always enjoy coming to this park.
So, how's your new job going?
It's good, but I'm having some trouble with English, especially with certain words.
Oh, don't worry. I can help you with that. Which words are you finding difficult?
Like when to use how much and how many. I get confused with these.
Ah, that's a common problem. Let's figure it out together. And don't worry, we'll make it fun. I am ready! Okay, let's start with the basics. How much is used for uncountable nouns? These are things you can't count individually.
Like what?
For example, water, sugar, money, time. You can't count water as one water, two waters, right?
Yes, that makes sense. So, I say, how much water do you need?
Exactly. And how many is used for countable nouns? These are things you can count individually.
Like
Apples, books, people, cars. You can count one apple, two apples, three apples, and so on.
got it. So, I should say, how many apples are in the basket?
Absolutely right. Let's practice with more examples.
How much water is in the fountain?
Good one.
How many birds are in the tree?
Yes! You're getting it! How much money do you have for ice cream?
Not much.
Very good, Samir. You're doing great.
How much dogs are walking here?
Nice try. But remember, dogs are countable.
Right. How many dogs are walking here?
Perfect.
How many times do I need to ask to get this right?
As many times as it takes. And don't worry, you'll get it soon.
How much patience do you have left for me?
Infinite! Teaching you is fun!
Thanks, Sam. You are the best. I feel more confident now.
Anytime, Samir. Just remember, how much for uncountable and how many for countable.
Got it! Can't wait to learn more.
We will. This is just the beginning. Let's keep practicing and have fun. So, to summarize, use how much for uncountable nouns like water, sugar, money, and time. And use how many for countable nouns like apples, books, people, and cars.
Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple.
We hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, please like this video. Share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and useful English lessons.
Also, let us know in the comments what topics you want to learn next. We're here to help you.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye!